Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see a pipeline builder and we'll be creating a project for that one. So before that one I need to inform you, like, I have started teaching you all the thing from beginning. So I have made already video on the sign up part, history, Palantir walkthrough, data connection I'll be making later. So today I am going through with the Palantir pipeline builder. Palantir pipeline builder. So I'll be creating a project for then inside that a project specific folder. Then we'll see what are the things in pipeline builder. We'll see that one. So before that I wanted to introduce myself. This is Vikas Yadav. So I having total IT experience 7 years. Okay, so let's move today to the creating a project specific folder. So for me, as I have created already namespace, organization, default, discoverer, so these things will come new to for you. For me, as of now, if I'll go to create the project, then it will come name and description. Okay, let go to the Palantir Foundry. As I hope you have already sign up already done. So log into Palantir Foundry tool and comes to the files. After clicking to the files, then you should go here. Here you can see new project. Click over there. So it will take some time for me. So as I said earlier, namespace for me, this is Vikas Yadav. I have already told you. So already that one for me it is created. So now sandbox projects, production project and sandbox two things. So for us it is sandbox project. Okay, I'll click over here. So as I said, I have already created one project for that one. So few things will not come for me, just like namespace, training and discoverer. Okay, so these two things will come for me and rest three things will come for you as well. So please choose that one. Okay, if you are facing any difficulty, just you can comment me. So any problem is coming, so that I can sort it out. You can connect with me on the LinkedIn as well. Okay, so this is the things. Just let's move to the, just like I'm creating a training folder. Just I will give YouTube training. This will be the my name of the project. This is okay, fine. Just I'll give the training. That is fine. As this is the optional description, I will not give this one. Okay, so I'll be creating the project. So it will create a project for me. In the project folder, I'll be meanwhile let's go to understand pipeline builder. Meanwhile I'll go once that is created folder. So this is got created. This is my training project has been created. So now inside this I am going to creating the project specific folder. So this is nothing but pipeline builder. I am giving as a name, pipeline builder. So this is our project specific folder. Inside this we will create a pipeline. Okay, so before creating the pipeline, just we will walk through with this few theoretical things. I will not take much things in theory, just I'll be teaching you what are the basic things, at least you should know. So this is the just you can say what is a data pipeline. A series of data processing steps that systematically transform raw data into valuable insight. So this is the simplest way you can say. This is raw data we are getting, and pipeline builder is just a process, systematic process that clean the data, and it will after cleaning the outcome what it will utilize by analyzing, reporting or machine learning. So these steps you will be able to follow after cleaning the data. So here pipeline builder sits between raw data and outcome, processed outcome. So this is the pipeline. So why data pipeline are important? So why every time is important? Because we should know anything is why this is happening. Okay, so no need automation actually, no need to manually move or clean data every time. So suppose there is a input data coming Azure, yeah, AWS, so that is going through with a process, right? So again and again manual effort needed for that one. So in between what we are doing, just we are creating a process that will what pipeline builder will do, just clean the data and it will give the output as a output processed data. So it will do manually without manually it will clean the data. Once we have made the system, it will do, it works, no human effort needed or very less human effort needed. Okay, so this is the thing on pipeline builder theoretical. So in one go I am making a video. Please, if I am fumble anywhere on or any extra word if I say, please sorry for that, just because I don't want to just go edit and all thing, just because we are a trainer, just not like a professional video editor and all things. So just we are trying to make the video in single shot. So this is what actually I am trying to do. Okay, so now let's create a pipeline. Okay, so how to create pipeline? So whatever projects folder we have made, inside we whatever projects we have made, this is the training project we have made. Inside a project specific folder we have made, inside we are going to create a pipeline. So simply we'll go here new and type pipeline. So it will come. So create data pipeline using built-in transformation. So I will tell you why pipeline builder is getting more recognized nowadays. Just simple. So first let me give the name of pipeline. So I'll give as of now pipeline just simple name I will give. I will not go for further anything. Okay, and after this configure, this is the batch or streaming. So there are two kind of pipelines, one batch and second in streaming. So in the batch whatever data is coming, for that purpose we will be creating the batch, and for the streaming, just like streaming is happening, just like continuously if any data is coming, transform data continuously as new data is made available. So for highly frequency ingestion, just like if any streaming YouTube videos are going on or any cricket match is going on live and we are fetching the live data, that's kind of thing streaming we can say. And batch, you already know, there is system where in some period data will ingest, just like in hourly basis or 2 hour, so like that. So batch pipeline we are creating. So we have given the name of the pipeline. So be with me, it will take some time. You can run this video on 1.5 speed, so I am creating the pipeline. Be with me, it will take some time, but you need to understand thoroughly all the things. Okay, so this is my expectation, that you will be give some time to understand and learn the things, because time needed for anything to learn things, right? So now it is asking to add the data as we have created the pipeline. So this is our pipeline has been created, we have given the pipeline. So let's give some other name also, add here pipeline YouTube. I am saying just for the reference that this is the pipeline name. You can anytime you can edit it. Okay, and what is this? This is the batch actually. So batch we have created, not the streaming one. So this is the graph and proposal and history I have made into the walkthrough video, so you can go through if you have not seen earlier. So please go through with that video. Okay, so now after creating the pipeline, it is asking to add data here. So what are the options are coming to add the data? Let's take a tour on this, right? Add Foundry data. So whatever data, if any data is available inside the Foundry, we will upload from here. Add data to Foundry, import data from outside Foundry and start using it now. So from outside, just like AWS, Azure, or any cloud services, are from any outside like that, if you want to add here, you can add it, or manually enter or upload from your computer. So as of now I am going to upload the data into from my computer. Okay, so I am going to upload. So draft file here or choose from your computer, so both the options is available. So I'll go through here, and this is the my file. So I will take and drag it here, it will add. So now again it will ask if the data is structured, unstructured, like that data it will show. So this is Parquet file. So as of now I am going to upload as a recommended upload is structured data. Okay, so I am going to upload it. So now once the file is uploaded, see, so this is the product data. Now it has been onboarded. Okay, so this is the pipeline we are going to create or transform. So this is the raw data. So this is the raw data. So we are going to process or clean this. Okay, so see, after selecting this node, so it will call a node. So please, as I said earlier, that it will take time, maybe longer time to just to summarize all the things. It will take time, so you can fast forward this video and you can see it. Okay, so let me explain all the things very thoroughly, and it will, as just this is the first video, so it will be very helpful for you if I am going slowly and teaching you in very patiently. Okay, so please be with me. Okay, so this is the product data. Now you can preview this. So preview option we have here, right? You can preview. If you'll click on this node, so this is called a node. Okay, this is the node, and now you can see this, these are the entries. So let me okay, maximize this. So this is the output related thing, I'll teach you later. So first let me focus on these things. Okay, so this is the node. Now I will go here and see the stats of this. So you can see the stats by clicking over here, right? So view the stats. So what it will give, actually it will give the insights about the particularly column, on that particular column it will give the insights, so that you can understand what things we have to do, what cleaning process or steps we have to apply. Okay, so there, so total 50 rows is there actually, right? 50 row. So here it is mentioning need trimming. Trims needed means I'll show you later. So is there any column null? No. Empty? No. White space? 0. Need trim. Okay, numeric? 0. Non-alpha? 0. Uppercase? Lowercase? No. Mixed? 50. Distinct? 25. Means duplicates records also there, but I'll be focusing on first here to trim, need trim. So what is saying, extent that have leading or trailing white spaces. So means in product name column there is few 20 rows. For that one, leading and trailing white spaces are there. Okay, so for that one we have to apply a transformation. So here is the few things: transform, split, join, union, use LLM, generate, explain. So if you want to explain about, you want to see explanation of this node, what is about, and it will give you all the things. You can LLM, you can use LLM here. So as of now I will not go that much deeper. I'll take it as a transform, just because we have to do this needs trim. Okay, so this is the first thing we are going to do, is going to transform this data, means raw data is going to be cleaned. That is the first step we are seeing over here, right? So need trim. So for trimming white space, as in that says leading, and here you can see the explanations. Trim white space. Trim white space at beginning and end of the so white spaces are there for beginning and end. Okay, so I can go fast, but I am not trying to go very fast. Just I'll take time and explain all the things. Okay, so we are clicking over here, trim. So what column it has? So now we have selected. So this is the built-in PySpark. We have option provided in background. The coding has been done. So we have pipeline builder, no code to low code, as I should mention earlier, but yeah, I am mentioning over there. No coding required for the almost 0, or I will say 1%. So no coding required. Just here we can do by built-in functions most of the times. Okay, so column we are going to have product name column, just because we have that need stream. So now we can preview the data. This is the very important thing. This is very good feature in this. So now we'll see the product name and view the status of this one. Let's see if we have done the cleaning or not on that. So transformation we have applied. So let's see if that is cleaned or not. Okay, so it is computing column stats. So meanwhile we can talk some thing here. If you'll see properties, actually, so properties nothing but in Palantir Foundry. Properties means column name. So Palantir Foundry made on the ontology manager, that is heart of in that. So it is object level. So as of now our data is raw, and that is data set, as we are saying right. After creating the data sets, then we will deploy it. Once that is in Palantir Foundry, process data will go, then we will go into ontology manager, then we will make that we will make it as a object ontology by using the ontology. So now see need stream 0, that means successfully we have applied the transform, right? So that is the one thing we have done. So now we have done the one transformation. I don't want to go further more transformation, just because I want to give you a brief walkthrough, just like how to create the project folder, inside how to create the pipeline. I have taken one single just like product name dataset, and I have just transformed it. And now let me create the output. Okay, so add output. So as I am going to create as a new data set, so I have created the new data. So I'll give the name for this one as a cleaned product, or just I'll give clean product I'll give. Okay, so I have given name to this output data set. Just let me make it here. So now raw data set we have taken, we have applied the transform path. This is called transform path. Now it has been cleaned, and now I have created the output. So till here it was transformed. So before transform, just one thing I forgot to tell you. Just I'll give the clean product. So here I should give the naming of that so this was the clean product, and I should give here name output product. product, anything I can give, but yeah. So this is the raw data. We have applied the transformation and we have cleaned it. Now we have made the output. So few things we need to understand, like not so now I have created the output. So if you'll see here what it has been written, not yet deployed, means we have not deployed yet this. So first let me save it and deploy it. Okay, so meanwhile you can see this is the output folder. Okay, there is a lot of thing, configure expectation, configure write mode, configure write format, configure marking. These are the very important thing which is being used, this been asked in interview questions, right? So there is a lot of thing we need to go one by one. So this is as a walkthrough video kind of, you can see, inside a pipeline builder. And so that is the reason I'm not going to the deep. So yeah, later on I'll going through in deeper. Okay, so let me deploy it. So after saving it, just I am deploying the output. Okay, so once you will deploy this, so once this has been deployed, so as you can see, running task 1 and 1. So if there is multiple output, if we are trying to deploy it, so it will show the things. Okay, so deployment task, it is going on further. So meanwhile I'll be talking about few things like proposal and history. So if you want to just suppose this pipeline is in production, and if any schema change has been came, just like it is a product name and category, price, validation, and production ID, another column they have added from the input side, let's suppose product history. So now the pipeline will fail, or if we have put it the data expectation earlier, so it will trigger and it will show that another schema kind of failing. So there is a lot of expectation or health checks we can put while coming into the our Palantir the data. So it will show there. So suppose this is the production, it's running the production. So what we'll do, so for that changes, proposal changes are coming from customer, like we have to make the changes into that one. In the existing whatever it's there, we have to add one extra column that is called product history. So we will not go and touch directly this production code, right? So we'll go and create a new branch. So we'll be creating the branch for that one. In that branch we'll make whatever transformation needed into that one, or how whatever things required we will doing it. Okay, right? After doing the changes, we will submit for the proposal. So now your lead or whoever is the code reviewer, they will review it. So because there is hierarchy to check, like the people, our senior people will be there, right? So they will be meanwhile it's our successfully deployed pipeline. Okay, so proposal we will send, they will review the code. If that is looking good, they will approve it. If not, they will reject it. Okay, so after making that changes, once the proposal has been accepted, then it will merge into the final. So that is the later part. Yeah, so these are the things. So our output now, see here, deployed and built, deployed and built. So this is output has been deployed. So I think I have made long video this one, so I wanted to stop here just because we have some kind of walkthrough I have made the video. So please, if you are watching till here, so I think you are serious about Palantir Foundry and you're learning. So please like, share and subscribe to follow me. And you can search my videos by searching like Palantir by Vikas, so it will be easy for you to get all the videos into YouTube. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.